I recently ran a poll on Facebook about file sharing apps and needed to summarize the results. After searching high and low, I discovered that there really was no great way to extract exactly what I needed from the data automagically. So I recorded the results this way in Excel. Starting here on row 2 with Control-Shift-Down arrow and Control-Shift-Right arrow, in the status bar, I can see that I have 129 responses. I realized as I was recording the data that, like me, people use multiple apps. To verify my assumption and size up the situation, I used conditional formatting. That's right here on the Home tab in the Styles group. I selected Highlight Cells, and way down here at the bottom, I chose Duplicate Values. All the shaded ones appeared in more than one of these lists. So not only did I need to know how many total responses there were, but how many unique respondents I had. I created a new worksheet. I'll type in unique respondents here. And then I did a window, new window, window, arrange all, vertical. And now I'll select my new worksheet. So I've got them side by side now. So I can easily copy and paste each list to the new worksheet, appending each one to the bottom of the other one. I'm using Control-Shift-Down arrow here to select, Control-C and Control-V to paste, and then to quickly get to the bottom of the list to paste the new one, I'm using just Control-Down arrow, no Shift. Before this clever new tool I'm about to show you, I would probably have sorted these and just deleted the multiples. But beginning with Excel 2007, we got remove duplicates. Best thing since sliced bread. So again, with Control-Shift-Down arrow, I'll select the combined list and then remove duplicates. Voila! Looking down here, I have 86 unique respondents. Here's an extended lesson for my more advanced users. With my new list and a formula using named ranges, I could also now figure out who used which and how many different apps. I'll give you the first part here. To get my named ranges, I selected all of the original data plus the column titles with Control-A. Then on the Formulas tab in the Define Names group, I clicked the Create from Selection button and chose to use the top row column titles as my names. Now I could write these formulas to take me the rest of the way. Download the file to see the formulas I used to come up with these results. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for stopping by.